Ever struggled to budget for a corporate video project? Trust me, you're not alone. When I first dipped into video production for my business, I was overwhelmed by vague quotes, shifting numbers, and endless options. It felt like trying to build a puzzle without knowing what the final picture looked like. I kept asking myself, how much should I really be paying? What's included? Am I missing something? Then everything changed when I discovered the Ultimate Corporate Video Pricing Guide. From the moment I opened it, I knew I'd found something different. This wasn't just a few generic tips, it was a comprehensive breakdown of all the key costs involved in creating a high-quality video, from scripting and filming to editing and post-production. It even explained pricing strategies and helped me identify what's worth investing in, whether you're going for a short product clip or a full-scale brand documentary. Suddenly, I was able to plan with clarity and confidence. No more hidden fees, no more guesswork, just clear, straightforward budgeting that made it easy to manage expectations and set realistic goals. The best part? I saved time, money, and a whole lot of stress, and my final video looked amazing without blowing the budget. If you're planning a corporate video, whether for marketing, training, or branding, this guide is your secret weapon. It's ideal for business owners, marketers, and creatives alike. Stop guessing. Start planning smarter. Click the link in the description and grab your corporate video pricing guide today, because great videos start with great planning.